The last lecture in the second section of functions. This is the custom generator functions. And custom generator functions, mostly this function is used when we have a range between the two variable, between the two list or the string or any other data type. Okay, this contain only the steps here. First of all, we define the custom generator like term like this custom gen in the range of the variables, and this in the second step put a logical conditions if we are dealing with numbers, and the step 3 introduce the yield of variable 1 which hold and returns at the time of exit. When the variable of second is required values, then it return by using the yield command here. Okay, if I want to show the numbers between 10 and 20 and I want to increase one by one, then I put the increment. If I want to decrease the numbers, then I put the decrement. It is optional and not required permanently. And the step 5, put the loop to perform the logical operations. Because this type of the generator functions mostly deal with a range, so we in last step we also introduced some loop to perform a logical operation, maybe a for loop, while loop, and other loop, which is very different from condition to conditions. It up to you that what kind of the loop you can want to select. Okay, do one practical example of custom generator function on Python and see how this function work. Okay, the custom generator function is a very simple types of the function which use in mostly in a range forms. That first we define a customs, then I put a range here. Then in the next step we put a simple condition that if we want to print the numbers between like 23 and 20 like 90, then I put a condition like x is less than y, and put a yield of x. The x store its values in its memory, and the last time it returns back to our functions. That's now put an increment of 1. You can also put like 2 if you want to show the numbers of evens between 23 and 90. Then and put now invoke the functions like custom generator and passing the numbers to our functions. Then for put consider a for loop to display the numbers in a variable a and print now the numbers in a. Okay, let's right click here, then we run our program. Then you can see that the system started in 23 because in here this is a x, 23 is x, and this is a y, and according to this condition that x is less than like y, and 23 started until to a 89 with the increment of +2 in each numbers. Okay, this is called the custom generator function. You can also introduce a condition in here in this step and in here like this.